Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again for you for your online classes. Now, student, we should continue our work. Now, in the last lecture, what we done? We wrote question answer of chapter number 7. Now, in the notebook, what you mention here? We left the chapter number 4. So, what we write here? We write here chapter number 6. But that is 7 in the book. Is it clear? Now, the name of the chapter is Tongue and Teeth. This is the chapter name. Now, student, we wrote 6 questions in this chapter. We completed 6 questions. The 5 given in your textbook and 1 is the extra question. We completed that. Now, which question we wrote? First is state the function of taste bud. We completed this. Now, the number 2, what is given in the textbook? The page number 47. Number 2, how are teeth useful to us? We wrote the answer of this question. Already completed we. Now 3, write the function of the following. We completed this question. Now 4th is what are the main parts of a tooth? Completed. Now what are the harms of tooth decay? We also completed this question. Now the 6th number we wrote, that is the what are the 4 kinds of teeth? We should wrote that questions. Now we start the 7th number. What is the 7th number? 7th question is, now student, this is the extra questions, but this is related to your chapter. Okay? So continue your work and start writing. What is a crown? Our 7th number is what is a crown? Here, what is the meaning of crown? Crown is not any cap. Those are wear by the prince or princess. Here we should talking about the upper layer. Those are that is the visible for us. The upper layer of the teeth is called crown, and that is the very hardest part of our human body. Clear? So write your answer. What we write the answer of this question? The parts of the teeth. The parts of the teeth that we are able to see is the crown. Means those are that part is visible for us. हम उसे देख सकते हैं. It is called crown, and that is the hardest part of human body. Okay, the layer of this part, our teeth, is very strong. That is the upper layer, and that is the visible for us. Now the 8th number. What is root? What is a root? The part are the parts of teeth? The parts of a teeth inside the gums, which we are not able to see, is the root. Now the what is given in the 7 number? What is a crown? The part of the teeth. Both are the part of teeth na, crown and root. The part of the teeth that we are able to see means we should see them. हम उसे देख सकते हैं. Okay, if you open your mouth and see your teeth, so those are the visible part. That is the crown. Now what is the root? The parts of the teeth inside the gums which we are not able to see is the root. Clear? So these are the 7 and 8 number. Now the 9 number. What is tooth decay? I explained you that answer already. What is the tooth decay? When the bacteria damage the pulp, they cause pain. This is called tooth decay. Means when the plaque collect on the upper layer of our teeth and bacteria start eating them. So the bacteria make a small holes on the crown, means upper side of the teeth, and that bacteria enter into the root. And which part is there? The pulp is there. And when they start eating pulp or damage the pulp, so we should feel pain, and this condition is called tooth decay. When, write the answer, when the bacteria damage the cause pain. This is called tooth decay. Now your answer finished here. What is the number 9? What is tooth decay? When bacteria damage the pulp, they cause pain. This is called tooth decay. Now the number 10. How can we take care of our teeth? How can we take care of teeth? What should we do for the taking care of our teeth? First, we should brush properly. Second, use good quality of toothbrush and toothpaste. Use a mouthwash. Get rid of the smell. Okay, these are the some points. So start writing. We can take care of our teeth by following ways. Now this is the answer number 10. How you start writing? Now write the first point. First point is brush your teeth twice a day. And rinse your mouth after every meal. After your first point finished here. Now write, I erase here number 9 and I write the number 2 here. Now the second point is use a good quality of toothbrush and a toothpaste. Okay, now the number 3, use a mouthwash get rid of the smell. This is the first one. What is we wrote in the number 1? If you want to take care of your teeth, so first brush your teeth twice a day, means 2 times you have to brush your teeth, and rinse your mouth after every meal, means आप कुल्ला करते हो ना मुंह में पानी लेकर, रिंस मतलब साफ करना. Okay, now the number 2, use a good quality of toothbrush and toothpaste, means if you want to brush your teeth, so you use a good quality of brush and toothpaste also. Now the number 3 is use a mouthwash get rid of the smell, means if any other types of smell coming out from your mouth, if you not brush properly your teeth, so you use a mouthwash for that. Clear? Now after the third point, we have to write number 4, fourth point in this answer. I erase the question for you and start writing number 4. Number 4 is visit a doctor, sorry, don't write doctor, dentist, write dentist. Visit a dentist for a checkup in every 6 months. Now the fifth point is move the toothbrush and downward while brushing. Now your answer finished here. This is the second point, third point, fourth and fifth point. What is the second? Use a good quality of toothbrush and toothpaste. Now the number 3 is use a mouthwash, get rid of the smell. Now the fourth number is visit a dentist for a checkup in every 6 months. Now move the toothbrush upward and downward, means ऐसे ऐसे करके ब्रश करना चाहिए, ऊपर नीचे. Clear? So this is the some points related to taking care of teeth. Now after that we have to write question number 2, that is the extra question. Now student, in the question answer some questions are extra, those are related to your chapter but not given in the textbook. Okay, start. Number 2, question number 2, your answer finished here. Question number 2 is match the column. Match the columns. Now A, this side we have to write column B. Number 1, incisor. Number 2, canine. Number 3, premolar. Molars. One side we have to write the name of the teeth. Now the next side, what we write? We write the another name of the teeth. These are the 4 types of name of the teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now in the column B we have to write the another name and you should match them. Cracking teeth, grinding teeth, next is cutting teeth, and tearing teeth. These are the name of the teeth. Now incisor, what is the another name of the incisor teeth? The another name of the incisor teeth, you have to match them. The another name of the incisor teeth is cutting teeth. So one match with number C. Now canines, what is the another name of the canine teeth? That is the tearing teeth. With the help of that teeth, we should tear the food. Clear? Now, premolars. The next teeth is premolars. What is the another name of that teeth? That is the cracking teeth. With the help of that teeth, we should crack the hard part of the food. Those are the hard food items. So we should crack them through their teeth. Now the molars. Molars are the grinding teeth. With the help of that teeth, we should chew the food properly and make them soft, and with the help of that teeth, we should grind them and make them in the liquid form. Convert the food in the liquid form. Clear? So this is the column. Now, after the number 2, question number 3. That is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now the first number is teeth. Appear at the edge of 6 months. Which types of teeth? Milk teeth are permanent teeth in the age of 6 months. Which types of teeth appear? That is the milk teeth. Milk teeth. What we feel here? Milk. Now the number 2. Is the hardest material in the body. Which material is very hardest? That is the enamel. Enamel layer is very so much hardest part of human body or body. Clear? That is the very hardest part. The tongue is covered with little bumps. Called, what is the name of that structure? That is papillae. The tongue is covered with little bumps called papillae. Papillae is the group of taste buds. So many taste bud comes together and make a papillae. Okay, this is the bunch of taste bud. Now the fourth number is and make our gums and teeth which thing make our gums and teeth strong? Which types of food item? That is the rich with calcium and vitamin C. The food item, those are rich in calcium and vitamin C that make our gums and teeth strong. If you have them, to your teeth become strong and gum also become strong. First is teeth appear at the age of the 6th month. Which types of teeth? Milk teeth are temporary teeth. Now is the hardest material in the body, that is the enamel, and this is the layer. Those are found on the crown. Now the tongue is covered with little bumps called papillae. Papillae is the groups of or bunches of the taste bud. Clear? Now which types of food item we have that make our gums and teeth strong? Those are rich in calcium and vitamin C. सोर फूड आइटम जो खट्टे होते हैं वो खाओ, एंड कैल्शियम मीन्स मिल्क प्रोडक्ट, these make your teeth and gums strong. Because we say na, the non-vegetarian food items means meat, fish, chicken, egg, it makes our body strong. That are the bodybuilding food items. So we write here calcium. That food product give us calcium. Now write number 5. Number 5 is the center part center part is called poly. Okay, so student, your fill in the blanks finish here. Question answer we also completed, and make the column we done. Now student, your and we also completed our books exercise also. So our chapter finished here. Most of the part we completed. It means all the parts we completed. Book reading, now the explanation, the book exercise, top word means new words also we wrote. After that question answer, match the column and fill in the blanks. We completed. Now I give you homework. Okay, you have to draw the picture. The picture of now. Okay, this is your question. Draw the different parts of a tooth. You have to draw the picture. This picture that is given in the page number 44. Okay, I also write here page number 44. Now the second diagram is draw the 4 kinds of teeth. 4 kinds of teeth. This picture given in the page number 43. Okay. Page number 43. Single diagram you have to make and write the name. Okay. Now the number 3 is make a diagram of tongue. That is given in the page number 42. Okay, you have to prepare these 3 diagrams in your homework section. Is it clear? First is draw the different parts of a tooth. That is given in the 44. Draw the 4 kinds of teeth. That is given in the page number 43. Now make a diagram of tongue. That is given in the page number 42. Clear? So this homework related to your chapter number 7 in the book 7, but what you write in the notebook 6, because we लेफ्ट द चैप्टर नंबर 4, हमने चैप्टर नंबर 4 अभी छोड़ दिया है, तो आपको क्या लिखना है, चैप्टर नंबर 6, बट वो आपका कौन सा चैप्टर होगा, 7. क्लियर? नाउ योर चैप्टर फिनिश्ड हियर स्टूडेंट. You read the chapter at home and also learn the question answer as you wish. Chapter number 3, chapter number 2, chapter number 5, but at least 1 or 2 question daily you have to learn at home. Clear? Now I finish my lecture here. You noted down your homework, what is I given in related to chapter number 7. Okay, so have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy, and start preparation for the test. Okay, so I regularly told you, you have to start learning. Why? Because upcoming days may be possible your test will be start, so you should prepare the chapters for it. Clear? Now I finish my lecture here. Bye bye.